This was the Forum, the center of life, law and commerce, where every citizen stood in the shadow of emperors. Yet, beyond the roar of the crowd, life flowed differently. In the grand public baths, an empire came to cleanse, to debate, and to dream.
So his field is offering unlimited Kling O1 generation for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plans by December 7th. So also you can see how it is the prices between other AIs. So currently it's at the lowest. So this is why I always choose Higgsfield between others AI. So in this video, we will talk about the Kling. Right here, you can see 10 free daily credits added if you join. Well, Kling O1 is finally here, ladies and gentlemen, and everything you just saw was generated using Kling's latest model, 001. It's only been a few days since Kling revealed this model, and it's already mind-blowingly good. I've been testing the tool for a while now, and I must say I'm very impressed, along with generating high-quality videos. You can now add and edit elements directly in an existing video. It works flawlessly. You can change the video style, lighting, and more. You're literally only limited by your imagination. You can also add up to 7 different elements. 01 analyzes everything and creates a masterpiece every time in today's video. I'll show you how good Kling 01 is and walk you through how I made the frame transitions you saw at the start. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Alright, I'm going to be using Higgsfield AI to generate the videos because I already have a subscription. And right now they're offering unlimited video generations using Kling 01. If you're on a paid plan, which is awesome, that gives me the creative freedom to regenerate until I'm satisfied with the result. Now to get started, simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. As you can see, they're offering unlimited Kling, 01 image and video generations plus Nano Banana Pro and Flux 2, which are amazing to generate videos. Hover over the video section and choose Kling 01 from the menu. That will bring you to this interface. This is where all the magic happens. Let's test it before we start editing videos first. Let's try the image to video feature, which is outstanding. The video you saw at the beginning was generated using this. I've uploaded an image. All the images I use were generated with Nano Banana Pro, by the way. Next, paste your prompt. I kept mine simple and also included the camera motion I wanted after that. Choose the video duration and aspect ratio. I'll leave those as they are. Make sure you turn on the unlimited option, otherwise it will deduct credits from your account. Finally, click Generate, and here is the output. Now this is awesome. The quality is stunning, sharp, detailed, and completely photorealistic. The close-up framing, soft lighting, and shallow depth of field make it feel like a shot from a prestige TV series. His somber expression, the worn armor, the textured fur, everything looks authentic and lived in. Even the subtle movement brings the moment to life. Kling O1 delivered true movie-quality visuals here. Now let's try the start and end frame feature, which is my favorite, and honestly, it works better than any other video generator out there. First, upload the image for the start frame, and then the end frame, I've uploaded the images for my documentary video. Next, let's give it a prompt. I'll use this one. As you can see, I've mentioned exactly what kind of camera movement I want you. You can also refer to each image using the @ symbol. Just like I did here now, just click Generate and let Kling do its magic. And here's the output. The camera movement is incredible, starting high above the Roman city and smoothly transitioning all the way down to ground level beneath the columns. Everything stays consistent. The statue remains centered, the architecture keeps its detail, and the lighting shifts naturally as the angle changes. Every frame looks cinematic, like a scene from a historical film. Kling 01's first and last frame feature absolutely nailed the spatial continuity and delivered a stunning, seamless sequence. Let's try one more this time. I uploaded these 2 images and used this prompt again. I clearly mentioned the type of movement I want, and you should always do that too. Now I'll hit Generate, and here it is. Wow, the transitions are really impressive. This looks truly professional. It's smooth, natural, and exactly what I wanted. If you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I created the entire documentary from idea to images to videos, let me know in the comments and I'll make a full step-by-step video on it. Now let's test the elements. Feature. It's pretty cool. First, switch to elements from the menu. Next, upload your element images. You can upload up to 7 images, which is pretty wild. I uploaded these images here for the prompt. I gave it this text. As you can see, I mentioned each element individually. You can press the add button and it will show the elements you uploaded so you can pick the one you want, which is neat and super convenient. Now click generate and here's the output. Wow, this is just too good, ladies and gentlemen. This scene comes together flawlessly. The woman, the vintage car, the sunglasses, and the misty forest road all feel like one real shot. The motion is smooth, the lighting matches perfectly, and every detail stays consistent. Kling O1's elements feature turns separate pieces into a truly cinematic moment. You can create amazing videos using this feature. And now, let me show you the video edit feature. Embrace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, because this one is really good. First, let's change the model to video edit from here. Next, upload your video. I've uploaded the video I just generated now. Let's give it a prompt. I'll write this prompt to change the environment, and then simply hit it, generate, and here is the output. The environment swap is seamless. The snowy backdrop transforms into a desert, yet the warrior stays perfectly consistent. His hair, beard, scars, armor, and expression all remain intact, and even his movements match. Frame for frame, the lighting shifts naturally to warm desert tones without breaking. Realism Kling 0. One's video edit feature completely changed the setting while preserving the character and performance. Really impressive work. Here's another one this time. I wanted to place him in Times Square, and it handled it brilliantly. With this feature, you can create incredible edits without needing any expensive software anymore. Now you can also change the video style with just a simple prompt. Let me show you how. In the prompt section, I'll just write this to change the style of the video and hit generate, and here is the output. Just look at this. You can see how easily it was able to change the entire style while keeping the character and the movements exactly the same. And the best part is there's no weird morphing or distortion. Everything stays clean and consistent. This works really, really well. This is awesome. Now you can also add your elements here to modify your videos. Let's try it in the element section. I'll upload this image and then I'll give it this prompt. Make sure you mention the element in the prompt and then simply hit generate, and here it is. As you can see, it worked. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but hey, it can easily be fixed with a few regenerations. And since you're getting unlimited access on Higgsfield, you really don't need to worry about credits, which is pretty cool. Here's another result. I uploaded an image of a pair of glasses and asked it to make the character wear them, and as you can see, it worked perfectly. I'm genuinely amazed at how well this feature performs. So there you have it, folks. Kling O1 with this, you can really take your AI content creation game to the next level if you want to try it. Higgsfield is currently running offers with up to 70% off, which is awesome. I'll put the link in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.